In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete saved passwords in Google Chrome. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this, and you can do it on literally anything you have. So all you want to do is open up your Google Chrome application. By default, you should be on google.com. Then on the top right, press these little apps icon right here, and you're going to look for your password manager. So you can scroll down and look for it, and it's going to be password manager. It might just be towards the bottom like it is for me. Go ahead and click on it, and then just make sure you're signed into the right account you want, and it's going to show all your different accounts and passwords or anything like that. So all you want to do at this stage is click on whichever application or website you have a password for that you want to delete. So in my instance, we'll just go ahead and choose Yelp. It might just ask me for my password. Now once you type it in, all it's going to show your username and everything. And all you want to do is go ahead and click delete right here. It's going to say delete password for obviously whichever application you want. In my instance, it's Yelp. Then just go ahead and press delete right here. So if I went ahead and pressed it, it's now fully removed, and that's it. You'll be good to go. There's nothing else to it. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.